Good evening, class. So tonight I want to show you simplification, how to simplify equations. Okay, so let us begin with a simple problem here. How about number one? This one is r to the fourth over r. Okay, so this is equivalent to r times r times r times r over r. So what you can do is just kill these r's and you're left with r to the first of the first, which is equivalent to r to the third. All right, that one wasn't too bad. Now let's do number 11 here. That is 6 to the negative second over 6 to the negative fourth. All right, so what you do now is just flip them over. So that's equivalent to 6 to the fourth up here, and then 6 squared down here, which is equivalent to 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 over 6 times 6. And then you can kill these right here, and you're left with 6 squared, which is 36. Okay. So that wasn't too bad. So now let's do another problem. How about 12 here, and that is negative 20 y to the fifth over 12, and then a to the 11th. So this is reducible by 4, right? So this becomes negative 5 over 3, and then you can just leave that alone, y to the fifth, and then a to the 11th down here. Or, I mean, you can bring it up, it doesn't matter, negative 5 to the third, y to the fifth, and then a to the negative 11th. It's the same thing. All right. Now let's do another problem about the number 49, which is c squared minus c to the third times the quantity c squared minus 1 to the negative first. Okay, so this is equivalent to c squared minus c to the third over c squared minus 1. All right, so this becomes negative c to the third plus c squared over c squared minus 1. And so take out a negative c squared. All right, so this becomes c minus 1, and then you're left with this. That's the same thing as c minus 1 and then c plus 1, right? So at this point you can just cancel, right? This, and you're left with negative c squared over c plus 1. All right. So that's basic simplification. All right. And so yeah, you can learn that. And so next time we'll do exponents and scientific notations. Have a nice day.